In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools in Photopea step by step. Photopea includes several AI-powered features that can help you edit images faster, remove backgrounds, improve selections, and speed up your workflow. First, open your web browser and go to **Photopea.com**. Once the editor loads, open your image by clicking **File**, and then open **, or simply drag and drop your image into the workspace. If you want to remove a background, select your subject using the **Object Selection tool, **, or another selection tool. Photopea's smart selection features can automatically detect the main object, making it much easier to create accurate selections. If needed, use *select** and refine edge * to improve the edges, especially around hair or detailed objects. You can also use AI-assisted tools to remove unwanted objects. Select the area you want to remove with the * class of tool *, or another selection tool. Then use the available fill or repair options to blend the area naturally with the surrounding background. For portraits and product photos, use adjustment layers such as *, brightness/contrast *, levels *, curves *, and hue saturation to quickly enhance colors and lighting. These tools work together with Photopea's smart editing features to produce professional-looking results in just a few clicks. As you edit, keep your work organized by naming your layers and saving your progress regularly. If you want to continue editing later, click **, file, and choose *, save as PSD**. When your image is finished, click *, file *, export as *, select *PNG**, or JPG**, and save the final version to your computer. AI tools can save you a lot of time, but you'll still get the best results by reviewing every edit and making small adjustments where needed. And that's how you can use AI tools in Photopea to edit images more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials.